start by breaking down what Giggle Fund actually is. Giggle Fund is a meme coin built on the BNB Chain, formerly known as Binance Smart Chain. Its main feature is a transaction fee, typically around 5%, which is automatically converted into BNB or major altcoins and then donated to the educational initiative Giggle Academy. This charitable angle is supported by Changpeng Zhao, also known as CZ. Tokenomics are simple. There's a fixed supply of about 1 million tokens designed to create scarcity. However, as with most meme coins, this also means high volatility. The market cap has seen dramatic surges, especially after major listing announcements, with one report noting a 145% jump to $250 million market cap following a Binance listing reveal. Despite the branding, Giggle Academy has publicly stated it did not issue or officially endorse the token, which is an important detail to keep in mind as we move forward. Now let's talk about the risks and what you need to consider if you're thinking about holding Giggle Fund for the long term. First, remember that this is a meme coin, so its price is driven by hype, community sentiment, and marketing. That means you can expect large price swings in both directions. The utility of the token is interesting with its charitable mechanism, but the long-term value beyond speculation is still unproven. Donation flows depend on transaction volume, which may not always be consistent. There's also some uncertainty about the legitimacy of the token's association with Giggle Academy since the Academy has denied issuing or endorsing it. This could affect credibility and even bring regulatory risks. Liquidity is another concern. While the supply is low, the market is still new, and large holders could heavily influence the price. Plus, the way donations are converted into major coins could create periodic selling pressure, potentially weighing on the price. Finally, regulatory scrutiny could increase if the link between the token and the charitable organization remains ambiguous. But what does the future hold for Giggle Fund, especially if you're considering a long-term investment? There are two main scenarios. In the high-reward, high-risk scenario, if the token continues to gain exposure through major listings, media coverage, and community growth, its price could multiply significantly. Some media have even suggested market caps beyond $500 million or even $1 billion, but this only happens if the hype and transaction volume persist. On the other hand, if the hype fades or the charity narrative doesn't hold up, the token could lose momentum, leading to stagnation or even a steep correction. For long-term holders, this could mean minimal returns or value erosion. In the short term, expect significant price swings, while in the mid to long term, the outcome depends on adoption listings and whether the token evolves beyond just being a meme with a charity fee. Many meme coins fade after the initial excitement, so it's crucial to set clear exit criteria and monitor key factors like listings, donation flows, and community engagement. Given your preferences for long-term investments, low-cap crypto, and a careful approach to risk, how does Giggle Fund fit into your strategy? On the plus side, its low supply means there's potential for major price moves, and it aligns with the meme and community-driven themes you're tracking. It could also diversify your portfolio of high-growth bets. However, it's higher risk than many utility-focused coins with less established fundamentals and ecosystem. It's more speculative and may not be the best fit for a strategic long-term hold. If you decide to allocate, consider treating it as a high-risk satellite position, a small portion of your portfolio. Set clear exit criteria like target price or time horizon, and keep an eye on listing announcements, donation transparency, community engagement, and tokenomics events. Ultimately, stay flexible and monitor the broader market sentiment to make informed decisions.